Hello, today we're going to talk about note-taking. As a professional interpreter, you have to be prepared to take notes. As a professional interpreter engaged in consecutive interpreting, on occasion you may have to handle an utterance of up to 2 minutes. And no matter how experienced or capable an interpreter you may be, that is a very, very difficult undertaking without note-taking. First of all, you need to be armed with a notepad and 1, 2, 3 pens. 3 pens because one may not work, one may get lost, and you may even find that one gets borrowed by the service provider. Now, when we talk about note-taking, what we're really referring to is perhaps more an aid memoir than what you would think note-taking is. If you think back to school or university, when you took notes, you were taking a comprehensive record of what was being said by your tutor or your teacher. But when we talk about an interpreter taking notes, it's not transcribing, it's not writing down everything. It's merely identifying the key information that you need to remember and make sure is correct. So what kind of key information? Well, dates, times, dosages, names, amounts of money, anything where it's important that you remember. Now, as an interpreter, on occasion, you may not actually write anything down in your notepad. It may be that everything that's being said by the service provider and the member of the public is very straightforward. But it is about being ready to take notes. In my opinion, a professional interpreter cannot possibly function successfully without being ready to take notes. It requires a lot of practice to get a level of competence with regard to note-taking. Our most highly qualified interpreters may have required a year or two before they're happy with the standard of note-taking. But the real point of this presentation is to say to you that you must be ready to take notes. You must accept that you need to take notes. Without note-taking, you cannot be a professional interpreter.